Closing ant holes in your house can be crucial to preventing infestations and keeping your home pest-free. Here's a detailed guide video on how to do it effectively. Identify the ant entry points. Inspect your house thoroughly to locate all possible entry points where ants may be getting in. These can include gaps around windows and doors, cracks in walls, holes in the foundation, utility penetrations, such as pipes and wires entering the house, and any other openings. Clean the surrounding area. Ants are attracted to food sources, so keeping your house clean is essential. Wipe down countertops, sweep floors, and remove any food crumbs or spills that may attract ants. This helps to reduce the likelihood of ants entering your home in search of food. Use caulk or sealant. Once you've identified the entry points, use caulk or sealant to fill in the gaps and cracks. Choose a silicone-based caulk, as it provides a flexible and long-lasting seal. Make sure to thoroughly fill the holes and smooth out the caulk to prevent any gaps where ants could still enter. Apply weather stripping. For gaps around doors and windows, install weather stripping to create a tight seal. This prevents ants from finding their way indoors through these common entry points. Weather stripping comes in various forms, such as adhesive-backed foam strips or silicone seals, and is easy to install with basic tools. Repair damaged screens. If you have screens on windows or doors, check for any tears or holes and repair them promptly. Even small openings can provide access for ants and other pests. Patch any damaged areas with screen repair patches or replace the entire screen if necessary. Use ant bait stations. In addition to sealing entry points, consider using ant bait stations to control ant populations inside your home. Place these bait stations near ant trails and entry points, as ants will be attracted to the bait and carry it back to their colony, effectively eliminating the source of the problem. Monitor and repeat. Keep an eye on the areas where you've sealed ant entry points and monitor for any signs of new activity. If you notice ants attempting to re-enter your home or find new entry points, repeat the sealing process as needed to maintain a barrier against them. Maintain regular home maintenance. Regular home maintenance is key to preventing ant infestations in the future. Inspect your home periodically for new entry points, and address any issues promptly to keep ants and other pests out. By following these steps and being diligent in your efforts to seal ant entry points, you can effectively close off access to your home and reduce the risk of ant infestations. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Until next time, take care and goodbye.